Department. Nasa kamay na po namin ang resulta ng tabulated scores. Magsisimula po tayo sa ating pre-pageant activities. To present the award, may po on stage Ms. Esther Wayne Pelayo and Mr. Raven Mandican to give the awards to our winners. May you please proceed to the center of the stage, sir and ma'am. Thank you. Let us now begin our awarding. Let us start off first with our pre-pageant activities, pre-pageant awards. Starting with Mr. and Miss Congeniality. For the information of everyone, ang Mr. and Miss Congeniality po ay binoto mismo ng mga participants themselves. Sino yung pinaka naging friendly, nagpakita ng genuine relationship towards their other contestants. So they casted their votes. At kung sino po ang nakakuha ng mas maraming puntos, ay siya po ang tinanghal natin na Congeniality for tonight. Starting off with our Mr. Congeniality. Magsisimula po tayo on the boys category. Our Mr. Congeniality for the primary department is none other than Kyle Jane, Mr. Japan. Congratulations, Kyle Jane. Ikaw ang ating Mr. Congeniality for today. Congratulations, Kyle Jane. Ikaw ang ating Mr. Congeniality for tonight. Alright, congratulations, Kyle. Let us now proceed with a female counterpart, our Miss Congeniality Award. Our Miss Congeniality for the primary department is Shane Denise Alamoho, Miss Japan. Alright, maybe advise our participants to please find a shelter room muna to cover yourselves. Mapasses po natin yung mga participants natin. We need a short break because of the lumalakas ang ulan. And also, atin po mga audience, may you please get your umbrellas muna po no, for the meantime. And of course, Mr. Raven and Miss Esther, please